Okay, so we're doing factoring of special products, which basically is perfect squares. Okay, so look at this first one. X2 plus 12 plus 36. 6 times 6 is 36, and X. So they're perfect squares on both sides. So the way we do this is we break these two down. So 6 times 6, X times X. 2 always goes in the middle, no matter what's in the middle. Okay, if we have perfect squares, it's going to take care of itself in the middle. Then this X goes in the parentheses, the 6 goes inside the parentheses. Are we clear? That's why we have arrows. Okay? So what this means is, it's X times X and X times X. Okay? So when we go and FOIL this out, we're going to get the same exact thing. Okay? So basically bypasses the middle when we have a perfect square. Are we clear? Okay. I think this one's easier, in my opinion. Look into the next one. 4x2 plus 9. Both of those are perfect squares. 3 times 3, 2x times 2x. The 2 always goes in the middle. The 2x goes here, and the 3 goes on the inside. So that's 2x plus 3, 2x plus 3. Okay? Go talk with him real quick. Okay. All right, this is my showing this. If it's negative in the middle, we can check it by doing the 2a minus 2ab plus b2. So if it's minus, it's going to be minus minus, right? So this tells us this one's plus, this one's going to be plus plus, right? What do I mean? All these are positive, right? These have to be positive. This x plus x, x plus x, x plus x, when we FOIL it out, has to be positive. This one right here is negative in the middle, right? So that means these have to be negative. 2x minus 3, 2x minus 3. We FOIL it out in the checks. Go ahead.
So whatever's in the middle, you just put it down there too?
Essentially, yes.
Right.
Yeah. Okay, let's look at this one right here. Same thing. 16, 4 and 4. X and X. Okay, the 2's always there. We're bringing in the X. We're bringing in the 4. These are all positive. So it's going to be X plus 4, X plus 4. Then FOIL that out. Make sure that it checks out. Okay, next one. Notice there's nothing in the middle. Okay? When there's nothing in the middle, the 2 doesn't go in there. Okay? So we're X and X, and we're 9 and 9. So this is just going to be X plus 9. So X plus 9, X plus 9. Or excuse me, X plus 9, X minus 9 because of this negative 81. If it was plus, it would be plus 9. Clear? Now, you notice when you FOIL this out, what's going to happen is you're going to have a negative 9x and a positive 9x, which is going to cancel out. Okay? Pretty easy, right? And you know because it's perfect squares on both sides. Okay, this one. Same thing, 9, 3 and 3, P4, so P2, P2. Okay, good. 16. I couldn't let it go. 16, Q2, so 4 times 4 is 16, Q2, so this is okay. And then how we put this in here, notice nothing in the middle, right? So we're just these two things. It's negative here, so this is going to be positive negative because it's going to take care of whatever potentially in the middle. But like this, negative positive takes care of it, negative positive takes care of it. Are we clear? So minus, plus minus. Okay? Plus minus. Minus, plus minus. Okay? Good talk. There's the math of it FOILing. Don't really need to go through that. This one, the numbers start to get larger, right? And we need perfect squares on both sides. So 5 times 5, so 5x, 5x, 49, 7 and 7. Now the 2's there because we have something in the middle, right? 5x goes in the middle, 7 goes in the middle. It's positive in the middle, so this is going to be 5x plus 7, 5x plus 7. FOIL it out, make sure that it checks out. Okay? When the numbers get larger, we're 35, 35, 70 in the middle, so it checks out. Okay? Let me tell you when it doesn't work. It doesn't work when the number is not a perfect square. Okay? If it's not a perfect square, you can't factor it anymore. It's already done. Like 7. Like 5. That number has to be perfect square. 4 times 4, 3 times 3, 5 times 5, 7 times 7, and so on. 8 times 8. Understand? So this one's easier, in my opinion. I think the previous one, you have to factor both those, go outer, inner. That's the hardest one. Okay? And you know because of these numbers. So let's look at the do now for a second. 4, right? 2 and 2. 49. 7 and 7, right? 4.
2, 2.
4. 1. Is 1 a factor? Sure it is. What's 1 times 1?
1.
4, 16, 49. Okay? Good talk. So I think it's the easiest one you're going to get. And then we go to quadratic.
Is that
And then
hard?
we're done with the class.
Yay.
Good talk.
I'm not, I missed it.